Hey everyone, it's Patrick from Apex Hard Money. Today's topic is an extension of last week's topic, how to analyze a real estate transaction quickly. In the previous video, which I put a link to the video below in the comment section, we talked about the cash on cash metric. And the cash on cash metric is something that the more short-term investor is going to use to decide if a real estate investment is worth their investment, if they're going to get enough bang for their buck. Today we're going to talk about the 1% rule, and that is more of a metric that the buy and hold real estate investor is going to use. And the 1% rule is you take 1% of the sales price, 1% of the total acquisition cost, and that's how much you want to be able to generate in monthly gross rents. So if you buy a property for $250,000, you want to have at least $2,500 in gross monthly rents in order to fit this 1% rule. So I was taking a look over the weekend to see if there were any properties out there on the Denver MLS that fit this 1% rule right now. So between single families, duplexes, multifamilies, I was not able to find anything that came even close to the 1% rule. So I want to ask you guys, I mean, is the 1% rule something that needs to be updated for our current real estate market? Do we need to be looking at more of a 0.5% rule or a 0.75% rule? And does that even work for our numbers? Yes, maybe it cash flows, just a hair, but does that, end up fitting into, to the valuation, that we're using for wanting to buy a property? Is it cash flowing enough in order for us to take that risk? So, in the comment section below, let us know. I mean, what are you seeing out there? Are you able to get 1%? Are you looking at, 3/4, a half? Are those deals that you even want to, waste your time and money on? So kind of get the conversation started. Like, share, comment, subscribe, send us an email, go to the website, put some comments below. Let's see exactly what we're seeing out there just so we know what we're dealing with. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll talk to y'all soon.